great. Let's see. Let's play. Let's do this one. This one's really old, actually. Oh, I got... Never mind, don't think about that, okay? Just the Minecraft. Random Minecraft video. Let's go! Oh shoot. I almost broke my legs while doing that. Oh shoot. Come on, we need to get higher. We need to try to die. Never die, come on. We need to die somehow. That's higher than ever. Yes, okay, come on. We need to die more. Come on, we can do this. We can die. We can die. We need to die. We need to die. Oh shit. We need to die. Oh crap. We need to die. We need to die.
Oh
shoot. More? Oh shit. It's gonna be nighttime. And then I will die. Finally, let me eat some bread. It's a failed. Oh, let's just that put out a wheel if we want to heal. Oh, yep. I'm holding a hole when I'm sleeping. I want to do something. Okay. Let's see. I'm not going to draw. No. Let's go over there, can't we? We have the whole day to spend it on. So let's go. Okay. I hear some zombies, so I need to be careful. Glowstone. We follow the glowstone. Come on. Though it's hard. Really hard. Come on, we're almost there. Now, where's that glowstone gone to? Right here? Yeah. And then stay near over here. Wait a minute. Where's this glowstone lead to? There's no glowstone here. Oh, that glowstone leads over here. Ooh. But there's an ouch creeper right underneath there. Let's take a leap of faith. No way. Oh shoot. Oh shit. This was so dangerous. Crap. The creeper. Where's the creeper right now? Shoot. The creeper is over there. I'm so scared. Okay. How do we get up? I know, we'll just go down there. It's actually a shortcut. Ooh. Let's see. Let's go up here somehow. Okay, perfect. Slide to go up. This is actually a pretty nice house. Or den, should I say. This is where the 3 little bears live. They moved into a new house, actually. Yeah. I don't know why they moved into a new house, actually. It's actually pretty weird. Yeah. I think the stairs are pretty cool. Nice. The zombies won't be able. Wait, I just noticed you could jump up here. Look like this. Hey, no cheating. No cheating, you. Can they? Let's see. They can never get up here. No, they can't. Let's do that just in case they do. Okay. Extra safeties, everybody. Okay. Now it's extra safe. Okay. Oh crap, I need food. Oh shit. I need food. My house is all the way over there. How do I even get food? My house is all the way over there. See right there? My house is all the way over there. Can you see? It's like that. It's what we need. But I guess we're going to sleep here for the rest of the night. What can we do with these bookshelves? Like, I'm gonna die here then. You know. I wish we could die. We can die here. Man. I was thinking we can, but we could. Come on. Come on, everybody. Come on, you got this. Okay, every time we swim up, we're going to get breath. But it's going to be really hard to swim up because you ain't got kind. Okay. The heck? Oh, that's close. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Wait. Whoa. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Lost my breath for a sec. Jeez, okay. Let's do this, alright, hoes. Just in time. Dun, 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 dun.
Right?
Shoot. I hurt myself. Okay, I want to do some parkour. Let's do some parkour. Let's see. All the way over there, right? No shit! Man, we need to start over. Let's jump. Oh, shit. You can't even jump? Jump. Oh, shit! Come on. Done. You can't sprint. You can sprint on lily pads. What? Okay, come on. Got this. And then do not touch the overwaters. Oh, yes. Ah! Oh, we did it. We did it by accident. I wish Ying could play with me. How do we need those? Come on! Open, open, open. Open.